it. In a million years, you're not gonna watch videos of your kids doing shit you missed the first time it happened. You don't watch it, you just put it on Facebook. Here, you watch it. I want to take a nap now. Then you just read all the comments. Oh my God! Thank you! And guess what? They're not watching it either. They're not watching the video. These kids are dancing for no one. Nobody watches the videos on your Facebook. They see the first frame of a kid and they go, ah, that's very nice. Okay, back to the dance. Nobody's watching your kids' videos on Facebook, I promise. I'll prove it to you. Next time you take your kids dance, take